This is gonna be a weird one. I've had a giant Volvo taillight on my shelves forever, and I've been afraid to try to do it. And I think, being that I've done so many taillight videos, I'm just gonna try to chop this thing open. So the tool that I want to use is the chopper. I'm going to use the chopper. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get through this with one battery, so I'm gonna get a second one. And we're just gonna try to chop into it with some help from our friends at Milwaukee. Here we go. We're gonna one-shot this thing. All right. Weird video, but I'm gonna go with it. So this light has some weird stuff going on, and I'm gonna use that Milwaukee specifically because there's certain things like this whole section right here, it's hard to get deep in there with any other kind of a blade. Without further ado,
how do we get this low? You come over and we start a fight. Never know who's wrong or right. Feel nothing when you go. I know it's not intelligent, drinking for the hell of it, but that's irrelevant now. We should talk about us. How come we're holding on? Cause really I don't see the benefits now. And you've broken my trust, so I just wonder, why do I fall back to you? Really nothing I can do about it. Why do I fall back to you? It's like you're a drug to me, I can't quit. It's not like we're still 22, trying something new, just a pastime. I don't think that we ever could work this out. None of it makes sense, there's no reason why I still fall back to you. I should probably let you go. I know I can be cynical, make everything difficult, but it will take a miracle now to fix our problems. How come we're holding on? Cause really I don't see the benefits now. And you've broken my trust, so I just wonder, why do I fall back to you? Really nothing I can do about it. Why do I fall back to you? It's like you're a drug to me, I can't quit. It's not like we're still 22 and trying something such thing as happily ever after. Love ended in disaster, disaster. But now I'm free. You show me that I don't need somebody. I only need myself, now it's just me. I'm gonna be free, be free. I'm free. You show me that I don't need somebody. I only need myself, now it's just me. I'm gonna be free, be free. Free. I'm gonna be
I don't even know what to think about that. Wow. Well, I just want everybody to know I did 100% of that because I just needed to get that bug out of these taillights. I guess now I can put it all back together.